Matternet station is a docking station for Matternet's M2 drone delivery system. It is designed to be an aviation-grade installation that can operate in urban environments. The station is equipped with a weatherproof enclosure, a payload bay, and a battery charging system. It can also be integrated with Matternet's cloud platform to manage drone flights and deliveries. The Matternet station is a key part of Matternet's vision for a future where goods and services can be delivered by drones quickly and efficiently. The station makes it possible for drones to take off and land safely and securely, even in crowded urban areas. The Matternet station has been deployed in a number of cities around the world, including Zurich, Switzerland, Mountain View, California, and New York City. It has been used to deliver a variety of goods and services, including medical supplies, food, and documents. The Matternet station is a significant step forward in the development of drone delivery technology. It makes it possible for drones to operate safely and efficiently in urban environments, which is essential for the widespread adoption of drone delivery. The Jaguar Volanti is an experimental helicopter concept designed by Tommaso Masta, a student at the Coventry University in the United Kingdom. The concept was created as part of the university's transportation design course in 2016. The Volanti is designed to be a luxurious and stylish helicopter that combines the best of both worlds, the agility and versatility of a helicopter with the comfort and refinement of a car. The helicopter has a sleek and aerodynamic design, with a long, sloping hood and a glass cockpit. The interior is luxuriously appointed, with comfortable seats, a high-end sound system, and a touchscreen infotainment system. A flying train is a type of public transportation that combines the speed and efficiency of a train with the ability to fly over obstacles and traffic. It is still in the early stages of development, but there are a number of companies working on different concepts. One of the most promising concepts is the Skytrain system, developed by Elon Musk's The Boring Company. Skytrain trains would travel on elevated guideways, suspended by cables. They would be powered by magnetic levitation, which would allow them to move smoothly and quietly. Another promising concept is the Hyperloop, developed by Elon Musk and others. Hyperloop trains would travel in a low-pressure tube, propelled by magnets. They could reach speeds of up to 1,200 miles per hour. Flying trains offer a number of potential benefits over traditional trains and other modes of transportation. They could reduce travel times, improve traffic flow, and reduce pollution. They could also be used to connect areas that are not currently served by public transportation. However, there are also a number of challenges that need to be addressed before flying trains can become a reality. Despite the challenges, flying trains have the potential to revolutionize public transportation. The Bugatti T99 Street Jet racing car concept is a futuristic concept car designed by Marin Miftiu. It is a single-seat, all-electric hypercar that is designed to be both luxurious and high-performance. The T99 Street Jet is characterized by its sleek, aerodynamic design. The cabin is fused with the wheel pods, creating a monolithic structure that gives the car a lightweight and powerful look. The only door is located on the right side of the car, and it is made of tough graphene glass. The T99 Street Jet is powered by a 4-motor powertrain that produces over 2,000 horsepower. This allows the car to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds and reach a top speed of over 300 miles per hour. The world's largest military drone with a missile launcher and machine gun is a concept designed by Russian engineer Dahir Semyonov. It is not an actual weapon system, and there is no information about it being developed or manufactured by any country. The drone is depicted as a large, quadcopter with a wingspan of about 20 meters. It is armed with a turret-mounted machine gun and a pod of missiles. The machine gun is said to be capable of firing 2,000 rounds per minute, and the missiles are said to have a range of up to 50 kilometers. The drone is also equipped with a variety of sensors, including radar, infrared, and electro-optical cameras. This allows it to track and engage targets in all weather conditions. The drone is designed to be used for a variety of missions, including ground attack, air defense, and reconnaissance. It is also said to be capable of carrying out suicide attacks. The concept of a large, heavily armed drone is not new. However, the design by Tahir Semyonov is particularly ambitious. If it were to be built, it would be the most powerful military drone in the world. It is important to note that the concept designed by Tahir Semyonov is just that, a concept. There is no guarantee that it will ever be built or that it would be effective if it were. However, it is a reminder of the potential of drones to be used as powerful weapons. Public transportation is already a more sustainable form of transportation than private cars, but it is becoming even more so as we transition to cleaner fuels and technologies. Electric buses and trains are becoming more common, and there is also interest in developing new technologies such as hydrogen fuel cells and solar-powered vehicles. Connectivity. Public transportation is becoming increasingly connected, with vehicles equipped with sensors and software that can communicate with each other and with traffic management systems. This connectivity can be used to improve efficiency, reliability, and safety. For example, connected vehicles can be used to coordinate traffic signals and avoid traffic jams. Automation. Autonomous vehicles are still in their early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize public transportation. Autonomous buses and trains could operate more efficiently and safely than human-driven vehicles, and they could also provide door-to-door service. Public transportation will become more connected, with real-time data on arrival and departure times and integrated ticketing systems. This will make it easier for people to plan their journeys and use public transportation more efficiently. On-demand, public transportation will become more on-demand, with services that can be tailored to individual needs. The Q-01 is a unique German aircraft that was developed by Dr. Linus Themme and his team. It is a small, unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, that is designed for a variety of tasks, including surveillance, mapping, and inspection. The Q-01 is powered by a single electric motor and has a maximum speed of 120 kilometers per hour. It has a range of 100 kilometers and can stay in the air for up to 6 hours. The Q-01 is equipped with a variety of sensors, including a camera, a radar, and an infrared sensor. This allows it to collect a wide range of data, which can be used for a variety of purposes. The Q-01 is also equipped with advanced flight control technology. This allows it to fly autonomously and precisely, even in difficult conditions. The Q-01 is still under development, but it has the potential to be a valuable tool for a variety of applications. It is already being used by the Qatari government for surveillance and mapping purposes. The Q-01 is notable for its innovative flight control technology. The aircraft is equipped with a fly-by-wire system that allows the pilot to control the aircraft's flight path using a joystick. The HIMO H1 electric scooter is a compact, lightweight, and folding electric scooter that is perfect for commuting or running errands. It has a top speed of 18 kilometers per hour and a range of 20 kilometers, making it ideal for short-distance travel. The H1 is also equipped with a bright LED headlight, a rear reflector, and a bell for safety. Compact and lightweight design, The H1 folds down to just 860 millimeters x 450 millimeters x 180 millimeters, making it easy to transport and store. It weighs just 13 kilograms, so it is easy to carry even when folded. Long battery life. The H1 has a battery life of up to 20 kilometers, so you can travel without having to worry about running out of power. Powerful motor. The H1 is powered by a 36V brushless DC motor that produces a maximum output of 250 W. This allows it to reach a top speed of 18 kilometers per hour. Safe and comfortable ride. The H1 is equipped with a bright LED headlight or rear reflector and a bell for safety. It also has a comfortable silicone cushion seat and soft grip handlebars for a smooth and comfortable ride. If you are looking for a compact, lightweight, and affordable electric scooter for commuting or running errands, the HIMO H1 is a great option. It is easy to transport and store, has a long battery life, and is powered by a powerful motor.